Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to copy file path of any folder or file on Mac OS. Click Go. Click Downloads. Right-click File or Folder. Press Alt key. Click Copy file name or folder name as path name. Click Go to folder. Paste the path. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.